Hi friends, in this video we are going to see one problem based on the application of trigonometry where you will face word problems like this. Many students think that application of trigonometry or word problems are always difficult, but it's not like that. Once you are clear with the concepts and once you understand the problem statement very clearly, you will find it very easy. So let's proceed with this sum which is written on the board over here. See that a person is standing at a distance of 80 meter from a temple looking at its top. See, whenever we read the problems of this applications of trigonometry, we need to read that problems in pieces because as per the explanation or as per the problem statement, we need to draw the diagram also. So, we will read it again. A person is standing at a distance of 80 meter from a temple. Means there is one person who is standing 80 meters from a temple looking at its top. That person is looking at the top of temple means the temple is having some sort of height. So let this is that height of temple, and that person is standing 80 meters away from that temple and looking at the top of the temple. This is the top of the temple. Person is looking from here. Let's give a name to this triangle A B C. Of course this will be a right angle triangle. This is the point of that person. Observer is present at this particular place. See the next part, the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation means you are looking at the horizon in a straight line and you need to just raise your vision by some specific degree. That is called as elevation. That angle of elevation is 45 degree, means that person is looking at the top of temple by the angle 45 degree, and this distance is 80 meters, and we need to find this height of the temple. So from the problem statement we have designed a diagram over here. Now we are going to find the value of AB by trigonometric concepts. So let's start with this problem. First of all, we will write all the given quantities which are present in the problem. AB represents the height of the temple, which is x meters. We don't know its value, we need to find it. BC, it is 80 meter. C is the point where that person is standing and looking at the top of temple by making an angle 45 degree. So angle of elevation here, that is angle ACB, angle ACB is equal to 45 degree. Now we are going to use trigonometric ratio and we will find the value of AB. So this is a right angle triangle. So of course we can say that in right angle triangle ABC, right angle triangle ABC. See, we need to find this particular value, this height. We don't know the value of hypotenuse, so we cannot use sine ratio over here. We are having adjacent side which is 80 meter. We need to find the opposite side from the observer, that is height of the temple. So we need to use tan as a trigonometric ratio in this particular case. Many students get confused that which ratio should be used to find out the values in such cases. So always think about the sides which are known and which are unknown. We cannot use sine, we will use tan here. So tan theta, it is opposite upon adjacent, is equal to x upon 80 meters. Here we are having value of angle of elevation as 45 degree. So theta will be replaced by 45 degree. So tan 45 is equal to x upon 80. Tan 45 degree. From the value of trigonometric table, its answer is 1. So tan 45 is 1 is equal to x upon 80. So simply the value of x, if you cross multiply 1 in the denominator, nothing is present, means also it is 1. So if you cross multiply, this will come out to be 80 meters, which is nothing but the height of the temple which we were finding. So by using this proper trigonometric ratio and the value from its table, we have calculated this unknown quantity, that is height of the temple AB. So always consider the problem very carefully. As per the explanation, try to draw that diagram properly, because if you make any mistake while drawing the diagram, then there are 100% chances that you will lose your marks. So board point of view also, for SSC students of Maharashtra State Board, this problem will be asked for 2 marks, as difficulty level is not that much severe. So for 2 marks, these kind of problems can be asked in the exam. I hope this video is very clear to you. Thank you.